What's up, guys? So this video is going to be a little different. I got a message from Auxito about doing a review on their LED lights. Originally it was supposed to be for the hard body. Hard body wasn't ready at the time when they reached out to me, so we are going to do it on the Colorado. Let me get some light back in here. So there we go. Anyways, the Colorado has LEDs in the low beams already. Don't ask me what, because I don't know. I don't remember if I put them in there or if they were in there when I got the truck. Anyways, I know the highs are still halogen. We're going to swap these out. For this, though, for the Colorado, it's a 9005 or an HB3. One of the things I would say to do if you are interested in this stuff, get on their website. I'll have the stuff linked in the description below. You can go in there and you can choose, LED bulbs for your headlights, your tail lights, your running lights, your fog lights, you name it. They make an LED, and they make an LED for it. They've got it on their website. So one of the things I'm going to do first, I'm going to open this up. We're going to see what we got going on with this. Let me open this up. All right. So like I said, it's a 9005 and HB3. So we got the instructions. What we got? We got some zip ties. Looks like we got new O-rings, an Allen wrench, gloves to put them in. I guess this is why we've got the Velcro stuff. We got the adapter pieces, and we got that. They look like they're really good quality. If you know about Auxito, then you know. If not, you're kind of in the same boat I'm in. Aside from looking at stuff on eBay, they're a higher end LED company. And I'm looking forward to seeing what it is. Give me a second. I'm going to get the keys. We're going to close the garage down, and we're going to show you the lights on what we got going on. All right, as you can see, the LEDs are in there from the lows. The highs, you can see there, they're very orange. Very normal halogen brights. I mean, you can see there, I mean, you can tell a difference between the two. So, I'm gonna get my camera set up. We're gonna get the hood up. I'm gonna show you guys how to install them. All right, so I've got it set up. It's gonna be kind of hard to see. Obviously, I'm gonna do this in the dark. I've got my headlamp on. The bright light is gonna be, for the driver's side, is right here, behind this. Basically, you're just gonna reach down in here, pull the cap off, make sure you get your little seal with it, put it back on there. You don't want to short your lights out. Reach in there and do that. Just undo it, and then you'll have you'll have a bad example. Here we go. Little V-clip that goes up on top of this piece right here that you'll have to undo, pull that off. That's your halogen bulb. And then you'll take your other one. Here's my first one. You got to make sure that you're getting it all lined up and matched. It's pretty close to where it needs to be at, right there. What I'm going to do, well, maybe, put them in, and then you twist it clockwise, lock it in place. You take your plug in here, and you plug it into your factory harness. On mine, I'm going to put the dust cover back on. I'm going to tuck the I'm guessing the box for it, the control box, up inside. These lights do have a fan on the back of it to help with cooling. You can see it right here. It does spin. They're also a 6500K or 6500, I don't remember which one. I think it's 6500K light, so it's going to be a white color. yeah, I'm gonna finish this up and then we'll take you over to the other side and show you that one. All right, so on the passenger side, something I realized I didn't show because it wasn't like that on that side. You have a trim piece here. It's a T18, or I'm sorry, a T15, and a little push pin. And you got another push pin down here. And basically, it gives you room so we can get in. Inside, you're gonna repeat like we did on the other side. We're gonna take our piece off, reach down in there, and this time, before I pull that out, I'm gonna undo the V-clip. I'll show you guys that here in a second. And then there's the other bright light, or the other halogen bulb. So we're gonna do the same thing we just did, but in reverse. We're gonna put this in, we're gonna lock it into place. We're gonna hook up our, go, locked in. Hook up our V-clip, or our light harness, and the LED harness. Push the little control box down in there a little bit, make sure we can get it all closed up, and I'm going to show you guys that way you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so as you guys can see down in there, it's kind of hard. There we go. You can see I got that. It's hard to shine a light in there in the video at the same time, but you guys get an idea. There we go. You can see on the right side, the harness is pushed down inside and it just goes up, or snaps into the regular one. And then I'll take that and put it back on there. All right, so we got everything tightened back up and closed up front. Let's go ahead and get these lights on. Let me turn these around so you guys can see. All right, so, oh, that's the wrong one. Alright, so there are the low beams. Alright, low beams are on. Let's go with the brights. Man, that's bright. That is really bright. You can see it lightened or brightened up stuff to the sides. Let me walk around here, see if we can get a good view of it without it. I mean, not much, a lot of glare. And then the phone will darken it some because of how bright it is. But yeah, man, that's way better than the halogen. So, I mean, you can even tell with the way that my phone's set up for the camera, how bright it is bouncing off. Low beam, high beam. So, anyways, we got this done. Make sure to check out Auxito's website. Again, I'll have the stuff in the description and everything down below. Thank you, Auxito, for trusting me to do this and give a product demonstration. If you guys like this stuff, let me know, let Auxito know, see what we can do about getting you guys into this, or getting me some more stuff. I'd love to be able to check these out and see what they look like on the hard body. Because with the Pathfinder front end, I can change the bulbs out now. So that being said, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.